I'm making bracelet for my teachers at school, and the first one is I love Miss Mitty. The second teacher is I love is Miss Butler, and I'm gonna make them bracelets.
Really?
And also after Miss Butler and Miss Mitty's, I'm gonna do my bracelet.
Really? How about you, Tantan?
I doing my name. Oh, I have another name for Miss Matt.
For Miss Manny?
Yeah. Can you spell your
These are
name?
so
And my friends.
And your friends?
I'm gonna make some for my friends too. And Mommy had to ask Miss Mitty how many kids is in our class, and how many girls and boys in my class. Because I don't know how many. Mars is 22. You know how much do you have in here? I don't know. Well, 22 kids. Because they always go in the cafeteria and the gym because they're, I don't know how they.
Okay, what are you guys doing today?
I'm making bracelets for my friends and my teacher. And my friends and my teacher.
What's your teachers?
Miss Mitty and Miss Butler. And Miss Matney. Ethan is Miss Matney's teacher. And I'm making for Miss Mitty first. And the next one is for Miss Butler.
Is it hard?
Mommy, I want to put a large this, Mommy. Can't, Mommy. Mommy, I want to do the gumballs because I want more. That's yummy.
You gonna take a break?
I'm going to take a break. I'm going to get my gumballs. I got my gumballs. Ethan got me 3 gumballs because because I like green, and also he did not like
It didn't work, Mommy. It didn't work.
It did not like it. So
It
I'm
didn't
going
work,
to take
Mommy.
break.
Oh, you have to put money.
You have to put
No, the money doesn't go there.
You need
Money won't go there.
You need a little coin and put it in there.
That one is probably big. Oh,
I'll
because
do
you're
green.
supposed to do this.
Guys, I'll do green. Guys. I'm going to do a green gumball first. Guys, I'm going to do a green gumball first. Yum, yum.
Oh, is it broken already?
Uh,
It's supposed to go.
mm,
You have to fix it. You can get the money here.
oh.
Let's see. I think you need to. I need a coin.
Mommy, why did not pour it?
Big one.
Mommy, it didn't work.
Oh, maybe that's why. There's no money. Okay.
Yum.
I still need that one. Now, maybe we can
There's two.
to the left.
Mine.
There's 2 monies.
Still not. Okay, you slide to the left. And then right. And then. Oh, there's nothing wrong.
It did, Mommy.
It did? No, it's
No.
not there. Maybe later.
What?
You get to mine.
Uh-oh, I spilled it. Sorry, Mommy. There's more?
It's gonna be yummy.
Yeah. Is that enough? There. I think I put some of my litter in Miss Minty's thing.
Okay, I'll put Honestly.
That's Miss Mitty's jewelry first. This is Miss Mitty's.
Maybe she can relax them.
You know, she's gonna watch us right here. She's gonna watch her because my mermaid is relaxing
Anak,
and
your
she's
smoothie,
looking at
Tanta.
us.
Ethan, your smoothie. Okay.
I'll put her right there.
Okay.
Oh,
Where's the
there's a
sea?
video. Oh, hi, video. Well, this is looking fun. Mermaid, right? Yes. I can play with my mermaid and our swim pool all day long. But first, after school tomorrow, can we set up our swim pool, please?
Is it gonna be warm?
I think I don't know what can you ask Siri what's the weather tomorrow? Because I really want to put her in the water in my swimming pool.
Maybe in the
Me and
when it
Ethan
gets
swimming.
warmer.
Me and Ethan swimming pool. Wait, that's not the kind of A I have. Swimming.
Oh, that's all we have here. It's all caps lock.
Aww.
Where is Cassandra? Where's the A? Right here. Can't get it.
Can't get it.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Well, thank you. There's an N. Where's the N?
I found a D.
Where's the N?
And
Oh, that's not the kind of E I need. Not yet. That's not this.
there's the N. Found a N here.
My D's.
What else do you need?
Oh, I need the first.
A, another A.
Wait, I need to do a D.
I gave you the D already.
First, I need to do. I said I'm gonna put it up. Okay. Am I doing great? Barbie kid mermaid. Yes, you're doing straightening it up. There you go. Now the
We're still
R.
missing A. There's only one A.
There's supposed to be one more A.
Cassandra.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two.
Cassie.
I.
Mommy.
I.
I think I found the I in there. I think I just found the I in there. See? The I? No, that's an L.
Is it?
Yeah, it's an L. It's supposed to be an L because Miss Mitty told us L has no circle set. So that's an L. I'm not going to use that one. Maybe there's more in this one.
Where's the I? Oh, there's the I. Cassie, that was I.
No, that was L.
The L is right there, see?
No.
Cassie, these are all caps lock. That's I. This is
You-
the L.
You're doing so wrong. And you're so wrong. There's another yellow L.
That's I. That's not L.
That's not. It's L.
Cassandra,
You're wrong.
you are wrong.
I'm not gonna put it in the name. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna put it. See what if you can't read it, and I can read it. Oh,
Cassie, where do you learn that say whatever? That's not really nice.
but I had to do it. Mommy, I'm gonna put that. That's all. Can I do two L's, Mommy? In my name, two L's. Two. Do I need two in my name? Come on, Mommy.
Okay, now put it on.
No, that's for Miss Mitty.
Ethan,
That's for Miss Mitty.
your smoothie.
That's for Miss Mitty, Mommy. That's for Miss Mitty.
Ethan, your smoothie.
This is for Miss Mitty, so she can notes from me. So it says Cassie. I think there's 12 girls in my class and 10 boys in my class. Yes, because when it was like remember that when what day was it? I don't know what day was it. Well, Valentine's. And also, I also remember those mini cards, but I can't spell the name
Many cars?
because I can't spell all my name for my friends.
Many cars?
Maybe I can just do Cassandra or Cassie. Gum in the bubblegum. Spit it out. Throw it in the chai. Don't like school. That gumball. My first gumball I ate from my hand is a green. My two gumballs is pink.
Orange.
Oh, orange. Thank you. Yum. Yum.
Green.
I'll get lots, Mommy, so you can have some. Thank you for the green.
Why?
Look at the green one,
What
guys.
about blue?
I got another green one from Ethan, and I'll get for Mommy. What about my coin, Mommy?
What? Oh, didn't work. It almost there, Mommy. Didn't work.
It's working again. There you go.
I'll get you lots of gumballs, Mommy. Guys, Mommy made this, and it's pretty. It looks pretty, right? Okay, catch. And it looks so pretty. See all those colors? Look, I'll put it right there so I can see all of it. See? It says, instead of Cassandra, the long name, because the last letter of my name is an A, and there's supposed to be 3, but there's no another A. So instead of Cassandra, we spelled Cassie. See this name right there? It looked good, but me and my mommy were fighting because that yellow one right there, it looks like an L, because Miss Mitty said that is an L. That's an L. See this one yellow thing? It had no circle, and also it's not an I. It's supposed to be an L, and she's making it wrong. She's wrong.
What's wrong?
You know who it is? Mommy. She's taking a video, and she is explaining because that's not what it is. So I'm gonna make more.
You like the bracelet?
Yeah, and look at the toy that Mommy bought me, and it's so cool. It has blonde hair instead of the red hair because Mommy can't find the Ariel. 2 Ariels. The mommy Ariel and the kid Ariel, and Elsa and Anya and her mommies, Elsa and Anna. And she also can't find them. So instead of that, she got a kid mermaid. See this one? It has blonde hair, and it looks cool. And it had we had to put this tail on when you get this mermaid. You just put this on there, okay? You have to remember it. And also, I'm still making bracelets like Mommy made. So I'm gonna make it. And Barbie, the kid mermaid, is watching me doing them. Me and my mommy making that thing. So I'm gonna make something. I'll put this one right here on my feet. There. Ta-da! Wait, this one is supposed to be for Miss Mitty because I made it for Miss Mitty. So I'll put it in my backpack for school. Miss Mitty and next Miss Butler.